Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description. In this tutorial, we will be replacing the fan in the HP Pavilion x360 laptop, which is essential for maintaining optimal performance and preventing overheating. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at your disposal: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and some anti-static wrist straps. These tools will help you avoid any static discharge that could damage your laptop's internal components. To start, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any main supply. Remove all external devices and place it on a flat, static-free surface. The first step is to remove the back cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel. Be sure to keep them safe in a small container so you don't lose any. Once all screws are out, gently pry the back cover off using a flathead screwdriver. Start from one corner and work your way around to avoid bending the cover. With the back of the laptop removed, locate the fan. It's typically situated near the heatsink. Next, disconnect the fan's power cable carefully. This can usually be done by gently lifting the connector out of its socket. With the power cable safely disconnected, use your Phillips screwdriver again to remove the screws securing the fan in place. Pay close attention to the size and location of each screw, as some may be shorter or longer than others. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the fan out of its compartment. Before installing the new fan, take a moment to clean any dust and debris from the internal components. A can of compressed air can be helpful here. Remember, a clean machine runs better and extends the longevity of your components. Now it's time for the installation. Take your new fan and position it in the same orientation as the old one. Secure the fan using the screws you previously removed. Ensure it's tightly fastened, but be careful not to over-tighten, which could damage the mounting points. Reconnect the power cable for the fan by carefully plugging it back into its socket. Make sure it's securely connected, as a loose cable could hinder functionality. At this point, if this seems too tricky, or if you encounter any challenges, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the issue without any pressure, ensuring you get the help you need. Additionally, we provide collection and delivery at your home, making your repair process convenient and hassle-free. There's no need for calls or travel, as we come to you and we offer a quote before any repair is made. With the fan installed and connected, place the back cover back onto the laptop. Align it properly and press gently to snap it into place. Replace the screws in their respective holes, ensuring they are tight but not overly so. Finally, flip the laptop upright, reconnect it to the mains, and power it on. Check to ensure that the new fan is operating correctly, and listen for any unusual noises that might indicate an installation issue. And that's it! You've successfully replaced the fan in your HP Pavilion x360. By following this guide, you've not only improved the performance of your laptop, but also enhanced its lifespan. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description.